everyone. Today is Friday and it's a special LEGO day. As you know, LEGO launched Smart Play sets on March 1st. The LEGO Smart Play system brings interactive play to life in extraordinary ways. The Smart Play system reacts to how you move, play, twist, and turn with LEGO building toys. It's designed to inspire imaginations and enable exciting new ways to build and play. So today here we have one of the newly launched Smart Play all-in-one set from LEGO Star Wars. It's Darth Vader's TIE Fighter and the set number is 75421 and it's recommended for ages 8 and up. And of course, let's congratulate the winner of last week's giveaway who will receive this interstellar spaceship from LEGO City. So let's open it and start building. So we have here 5 bags of LEGO pieces, 1 charger, 1 wire, this big piece, 1 smart brick, 2 instruction manuals, and 1 smart play guide. Now it's time for us to use this smart brick in action. Let's try it. Guys, to tell the truth, this smart Lego is just fantastic. Let me show you the smart brick features in details. First, to activate this smart brick, you need to shake it well. You can use this guide to connect the smart brick to your phone to make the voice lower or higher. Let's put Darth Vader inside. Now you can fix something with this hammer. You can refuel the ship. And you can fire with these double guns, and you can fire with the ship. This set is really awesome. It takes your imaginary play to next level. It's really interesting to play with. And of course, this set is also for giveaway. You can find all the giveaway details and rules in the video description managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.